Good morning, students. I am Dr. Ritika, the faculty of CSC department, as an associate professor in Sant Andrews Institute of Technology and Management. Today, I am going to deliver the lecture on the subject of our e-commerce. Now, it is related to our BCA 6 SAM, and today we will cover the topic of strategic business units, that is SBU. So, what is SBU? Now, subject business unit. It is a fully functional and distinct unit of a business that develops its own strategic versions and directions. So it is an important component of the company and must report back through headquarters about their operational status. So, management of SBU, that is strategic business units, which operates as an independent organization with a specific focus on target markets, some large enough to maintain internal divisions such as finance, HR, and so on. So, it is a strategic business unit is a profit center which focus on product offering and market segments. So it is typically have a discrete marketing plans, analysis of competitions and marketing campaigns, even though they may be part of a large business entities. Here are some examples of strategic business units are like appliances, which is like Godrej GE appliances related to their some electronics, some aerospace, and some electronic gadgets. So, with the help of which some strategic business units are very helpful in all these things, whether it is related to your appliances, it is related to your aerospace, or it is related to your some electronic gadgets. Now, in LG's same, LG is a company which is following the strategic business units where it is related to their appliances and there are some electronic gadgets related to the LG company. Here LG stands for Life's Good. Now, formations of SBU, that is the strategic business units. Here are some levels of SBU models like corporate levels, business level, and operationals level. Now, these levels are based on their managements on the top level to middle level, bottom level management. In top level, the corporate level related to their organizations, and in business level, it is related to their SBU units, where SBU units are correlated with their operational levels, where it handles some business activities. So these are the levels from top to bottom which handle organizations, which is basically used for operate levels, some business levels which is handled by strategic business units, and operation level which is based on different activities of businesses which is related to your SBU, that is a strategic business units. So here are some advantages of SBU. First is focus. So it allows for the organization to concentrate on the target audience and provide cost leadership to the company. Next, differentiations. It allows a company to meet the distinct needs of the target audience by supplying products and services that are valued by those specific users. Next is the competitive advantages. It also provides through the ability to offer more value to your customers. Next advantages are own separate ability to craft industry specific strategies as it related to their functions. It helps to understand which business activity contribute the most value. It enables the ability to make decisions based on resource and efficiencies. Now, success determining factors of strategic business units. So these are the factors which is related to the successful strategic business units are first, the degree of autonomy gives to each SBU managers. Second, The degree to which an SBU shares functional programs and facilities with others SBUs, the manner in which the corporation is because of new changes in market. So students, just take a little bit review what we have covered in our slide. In this slide, what we have learned just basic about the strategic business units. So what a strategic business unit is related to a fully functional and distinct units of business which develop its own strategic versions and directions. So it is very important component for the company through which they can deal with their headquarters and their different operation statuses. Then after that we have covered some managements of SBUs which operates an independent organization with a specific focus on a particular target. After that we have learned about some profit centers which focus on product offering and their market segments. And after that what we have learned about in the slides like examples of GE which is used in different appliances, aerospace and electronic gadget. Second example I have explained about SBU is the LG which is based on electronic and their appliances. After that we have learned some formations of SBUs. So in this slide we have learned some models which is based on the organizations, their units and business activities. So this organization is related to their corporate levels. SBUs are related to their business levels and some business activities are related to their operational levels. So we have learned about the focus. We have learned about the advantages of SBU. First is focus. So main target is main main concentration is to target audience and provide a leadership to the company. Next, we have learned about the differentiations which allow the company to meet their needs, which is related to their audience target, which are based on their supply products and services through a specific users. After that, we have learned competitive advantages, which gives an ability to make more valuable to your customers. And then after that we have learned some other advantages like some ability to their craft industry specific strategies related to their functions. Next we have learned to understand which business activity contribute the most value. They assign the priorities. And next we have learned ability to make decisions which is based on resources and efficiencies. After that we have learned some factors which make strategic business unit more successful, and these are the factors we have learned as degree of autonomy gives to each SBU managers, the degree to which SBU shares functional programs and facilities with other SBUs, the manner in which the corporation is because of new changes in market. These are the factors which determine or which makes the success to SBU. In this slide, students, we have learned little bit about introduction of strategic business units. Now, in next slide, we have learned more about our strategic business unit. So, follow up next slide for further detail about the SBU, that is a strategic business. So, students, thank you very much for your kind attention. Thank you, students.